What is up, YouTube? I'm here with my dog Champ. We're here at night. We're walking, and I just wanted to show you guys how the rear Subaru Emblem looked in the dark, because I know I never made a video about that, so I think now's a perfect opportunity to do it. So we're gonna go around the motion sensors here just so we don't get the light coming in. And this is why I never really showed how the glow-in-the-dark emblem works. I mean, you can see here, even from this distance, this is kind of like real life nighttime scenario here. You can't even see it glow in the dark. The license plate is more reflective. Coming in closer, maybe you can kind of see the hint of green that it's showing, but other than that, this is how it was when I just put the emblem on. It's not really reflective or glow in the darky at all. So yeah, sorry about that. But I really just bought the emblem just for the black and white stars, black background. But yeah, sorry about that. If you like this video here, please comment, like, and subscribe, and don't forget to watch that install and the card up above. And just like that, EVI out.